오늘 레시피 영상은 달고나 커피 아닌 당근 케이크를 만들 겁니다. 고소한 견과류도 많이 들어가 있고 담백하면서 달달한 봄 향이 가득 찬 빵 위에다가 마스카포네 크림이랑 호두를 올려줄 겁니다. Crack 2 fresh eggs. Add 50 grams of coconut sugar. You can also use brown sugar if you want. For this stage, just pretend you're making the trending 달고나 coffee because it will basically look the same. Add 30 grams of honey and whisk it in until light and fluffy. You sift in all the dry ingredients, so we have some spelt flour, ground almonds, cinnamon, nutmeg and ginger. So after sifting this in, we're also going to add some baking powder and baking soda. Use a spatula to fold all of this together before adding in the main ingredient of this cake, which is of course some grated carrots as well as some dried fruit. We're also going to be adding some crushed pineapple, which helps to add a bit more flavour and depth to the cake. And after that, add some canola oil and just mix everything together until evenly combined. Finally, add some chopped toasted nuts. You can just use walnuts if you want. Then pour this mixture into a greased or lined 15 centimeter cake tin and bake off at 170 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna take a little coffee break here whilst the cake is baking. To test if your cake is done, just add a skewer in. If it doesn't come out clean, then just bake it off a bit more and then just cool the cake completely.
Yeah, it seems very busy. Whereas, although there are of course many other big cities in other parts of the UK, I don't as London. Yeah, it's a very hectic city. I've done that. Going to the theatre, National Galleries, absolutely. Love a bit of art. How about you? Well, I came and London Bridge. There are a lot of bridges. Lots of bridges, yeah. So it's called Tower Bridge.
First, use a whisk just to bring all the ingredients together, but in the end, eventually switch over to a spatula because this cream is quite thick. Next, take the cake out from the tin and slice it in half using a bread knife. Onto the serving plate of your choice, add a small dollop of cream onto the base of the plate and spread this out evenly. Place the top half layer of cake as well as half of the cream mixture and spread this out evenly using an offset spatula. Place the bottom layer of cake upside down just to create a nice flat surface for you to decorate and finish off the cake. I decided to go for a naked cake design, which I personally really like just because it looks really rustic, but at the same time it's really easy. So if you're a beginner in cake decorating, this is a great way to impress friends or family members. And then on top, simply place the remaining cream and again spread this out evenly with your offset spatula. You can honestly decorate this cake however way you want it to be, but I just went for this really simple spiral look. And to top it off, I added 8 walnuts spaced out evenly on top. 이제 다 끝입니다. 이렇게 러스틱하면서 좀 귀여운 스타일로 한번 해봤는데 나름 마음에 드네요. 하루 정도 냉장고에 숙성을 해주시면 더 좋고요. 여러분, 진짜 맛있습니다.